What's good, Humble Squad? It's your boy HumbleZiggy, and we back here with music mayhem for y'all. And we got some of the heavy hitters, in my opinion, of nerdcore, anime rap, aka, or whatever you want to call it. Well, mostly I would call it nerdcore, but regardless, we here with the heavy hitters, and hey, there's some old ones that got remastered or whatever, so, but either way, you know, when it comes to these guys, I'm expecting nothing but bars today. So we gonna go straight right into it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my socials up there. And without further ado, let's get it. So we got Nicki Tracks, AKAZA Rap, Back in Blood, featuring B. Kevin Bennett and Macro. Let's get it.
They took away the ones I love. I get them all back in blood. I will be the strongest there ever was. And it's all because they try to say I'm a demon. So a demon I'll become. You got the right one. And when they took away my people, I became a demon. Cause the route I took was scenic, you just had to see it. And all the fire he was breathing, he became extinguished. And all the people that were scheming pushed me to the brink of evil. I know that you wanna say that I'm someone you shouldn't say, but the ones that they took away were the ones who could keep you safe. Ain't no telling what's left to come from the pain that I felt for days. And there's nothing you can say to change the choices that I make. And see, they said I was a villain, so a villain I'll be. I had to get it back in blood, so the village gon' bleed. Cause when you lose the ones you love, you ain't concerned with no peace. The only peace I have to offer are these hands and these feet. I let my compass lead the way. The blood spills from the needle. I bear my sins on my flesh. I can't forget what I've been through. Tattoos on my body, so you can see what I went through. Cause you created a demon, there ain't nobody to help. They took away the ones I...
Nah, Nicki had a different. Normally we always get the rapping of Nicki or so, but something about how he was rapping on this one, it felt like he was really angry at somebody or so. Like, damn, Nicki, who pissed you off? I know normally you always come in with that rapper energy and we love it, but this sounded like somebody actually pissed you the hell off.
The only peace I have to offer are these hands and these feet. I let my compass lead the way. The blood spills from the needle. I bear my sins on my flesh. I can't forget what I've been through.
It's like you was going crazy.
See what I went through. Cause you created a demon, there ain't nobody to help. They took away the ones I love.
You sound like you was angry. You got me losing my head, even though they call me headstrong. And hey, hold on, Kevin, knowing that me and you, we wrestling 101. If y'all can name me the band, how can I say it? Name me who made that song, Headstrong. If you can tell me who made that song, if you're a real WWE an old classic WWE fan, I'm gonna say it like this: name me who made that song and which pay-per-view, not PLE as they call it nowadays, pay-per-view. Which pay-per-view was the theme song for? Was that song the theme song for? There we go. And if I see it, I'll give you a heart. No cheating.
You got me losing my head, even though they call me
headstrong.
You can get to stepping, I'ma step up when I'm stepped on. You can never wrong me if you dead, I know you dead wrong. Bitch, I'm spitting sick, let's get these meds wrong. He's a pretend dog, I was checking up on my father, then got a doctor and a skill for pickpocket and fuck a that long. Just for him to steal what I love, body and breath gone. Gave me this lost sense of direction. And I encompass the mental toughness to gain all the strength or suffer. Divide on their strength and I'm left with nothing. Death and destruction, all two good friends that I met and trusted. Find me a sense of comfort when held in the devil's clutches. Yes,
pessimistic and bred sadistic, destined to victimize. I know you think the villain dies, I'm the type that will kill good guys. And to mix the anger with discipline and a dismal mind. And if you look inside for the demon, a demon's what you'll find.
They took away the ones I
That's
love. I get them all back in blood. I'ma be the strongest there ever was. And it's all because they try to say I'm a demon. So a demon.
gotta get it.
They took away the ones I love. I get them all back in blood. I'ma be the strongest there ever was. And it's all because they try to say I'm a demon. So a demon I'll become. You got the right one. You got the right one.
Hey, they were going crazy, especially Nikki, cause that my boy, you sounded like like Nikki, you sounded like somebody really pissed you the hell off in your verse, man. Who pissed you off, man? Calm down. But either way, y'all did crazy. Next, we got my guy 954 Mari with his REZE song Liar Girl. Now, if you remember, he released a song called Liar Boy, and hey, still to this day, one of the toxic ass lines of that song was shout out to all the fathers who dipped on their daughters. It's easy for Mari to F. Nigga, you was toxic on that. That was so toxic that is not even funny. So let's see how you can, hopefully you can replicate that in this one. So let's see. Let's see if you can double it back. Get it by dripstick.
You the bomb, you the worst. You the worst shawty that I ever heard, baby. I don't even got the words. I hate your kiss now, and the love for you is a curve. Sending you a bad wish now. I hope you get what you deserve.
Damn. Hey, ready? Bring it back.
I don't care if you cry, all you do is lie to me. You lie, 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 lie to me. And shout out to exit that you didn't put on whole time.
Hold on. I think he, hold on. What's that first?
And shout out to exit
Shout out to X's that
that you didn't put on whole time.
I'm put her on whole time is crazy. That's crazy. That's a Mari, you already trying to replace that first one. You trying to get extra toxic on this one, alright? Alright.
And shout out to exit that you didn't put on whole time.
That's crazy.
I heard she got a few bodies, but really I don't mind. Shout that we grown, whatever you want, you know that we both want. Nobody gon' know about it, ain't nobody gon' know about it. Got a little bombshell messing up my brain again. Hey girl, won't you kiss me in the rain again? All my friends like, oh no, and I'm saving them. Look at you, tryna rain down my parade again. Miss you, hope you got a few issues. Like my women better broken, otherwise I never get a fix you. Hit me out.
Yeah, this nigga's really trying to get extra toxic with this one. This nigga just said, hold on, what he said? Hope you got a few issues. That means
A few issues. Like my women better broke.
like my woman better broke. Nah, nigga. Nah. Nah, not even that. No. That's what that deserves. I'm like, nigga, goddamn.
Otherwise I never get a fix you. Maybe I can fix her.
How you can
Maybe
fix
I can
her?
fix her.
How?
Shawty, I don't care if you cry, all you do is lie to me. You lie, 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 lie.
It's so crazy that before he was like Allah, 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 Allah. Now he's saying you lie, you lie, you lie, you lie. Both of y'all are liars. That's all I can hear is both of y'all are some liars.
Like my women better broken, otherwise I never get a fix.
That's crazy.
Me I can fix her. Me I can fix her.
This girl, you lie.
So you don't care if you cry, all you do is lie to me. You lie. Now you lie to me. So you don't care if you cry, all you do is lie to me. Two babies I can't even choose. No, I like all my women in twos. I know some of them love to be used. Love a lie, boy, no, it's true. But I never will lie to you. So I mean the most you did, I only did right by you. But you still try to sign a kill. You blind, baby, you leave. Then the wrong shot of your view. You belong buried in the hearse, baby. And the trust, put it in the grave. And the love from you is cursed. You gon' get some you deserve, baby.
That boy Mari stay on toxic mode. I ain't gonna lie, but still fire ass song nonetheless, but it's still on that toxic ass energy. That boy Mari, you just love wanna be toxic, don't you? I know you're gonna see this, so hopefully you do respond. You just love being in toxic mode, don't you? Pray to God that it ain't. Good thing you didn't release this on February 14th, cause boy, this would be such a toxic way of releasing this shit. I'm sorry, it would. But let's get into it. We got B. Kevin Bennett now with his Friday night, Five Nights at Freddy's rap. Enjoy the show.
Welcome in, don't be afraid to say hello. We gon' have a good time, make yourself at home. The type of fun to die for, you won't be alone. You'll never have to go, so how about you follow me? I'll take you to the first row. How about you stay for the show? Even when the curtains close and the lights go low, just enjoy the show. I can ship this game in less than 5 nights. They ain't lasting more than that, cause overtime's a high price. Can't survive the graveyard, you'll lie beside a pipeline. Run off sight till out of sight, but that's just all in hindsight. Call that a bounce check, you never had an ounce slap. If you gon' have your eyes closed, it's only cause you found dead. Profound amounts of dread, got a leaking house and it spouts red. Darkness come to light the moment that you use an outlet. Y'all got that house.
Darkness comes to light the moment you use an outlet. Okay. Hey, don't mess with Kevin now. This boy can give you a mean one too.
Slap. If you gon' have your eyes closed, it's only cause you found dead. Profound amounts of dread, got a leaking house and it spouts red. Darkness come to light the moment that you use an outlet. Y'all got that house neck, heads will spin, but I got your cover your blind side. Better moved up all angles, doing them cameras, gonna play I Spy. We gonna have some fuck, come right to the front, there ain't no ride lines. This ain't no Six Flags, all of them red, you should've been wise-minded. Pizza pies are not all they come in slices. You can stuff your stomach and there be stuff that confined in devices designed to crush every bone to dust, put aside that. Despite of what you hearing, still everyone is invited.
I don't want to be invited. I don't want to be invited. I don't want when I'm stuffing my stomach with food in my belly like pizza and such. The next minute I know, and pause on this, I get stuffed. I'm stuffing my belly while I'm about to get stuffed in the machine. No, thank you. There's one thing no, thank you. I ain't following you with shit.
How about you stay for the show? Even when the curtains close and the lights go low, just enjoy the show.
Mild manner, manic with algorithm. These mannerisms manifest menace to all of my victims. Demanding you manage your managers. Here's an audition. These mannequins manually moving like a man on a mission. Man,
first of all, the whole alliteration and such. This man just that man, like I would love to say, you know, make a red. He said,
manic with algorithm. These mannerisms manifest menace to all of my victims. Demanding you manage your managers. Here's an audition. These mannequins manually moving like a man on a mission. Man, read the
how it got. It's giving that creepy vibe, but it got a bounce to it. I would never think that a horror type of song like this can still give you that horror type vibe, but give you like a bounce to it. And cause it got like that and like a little bit of a boom, just a salt baby of a freaking boom bap and boom bap type vibe to it.
So welcome in, don't be afraid to say hello.
Nobody back there.
We gon' have a good time, make yourself at home. The type of fun to die for, you won't be alone. You'll never have to go. So how about you follow me? I'll take you to the first row. How about you stay for the show? Even when the curtains close and the lights go low, just enjoy the show. Just enjoy the show.
I ain't enjoying the show with his ass there. Shout out to Omega Red. I swear, I ain't enjoying the show with Freddy there. That's for damn sure. You would never catch me trying to enjoy no show when I'm not, like I said, I'm not about to be enjoying no show where the next minute I'm gonna be stuffed in a goddamn mechanic. Hell nah. I'm stuffing my belly with pizza. Next minute I know I'm in a goddamn machine. Nah, I'm good. And hey, we here now with Maguire, and I ain't gonna lie, this is one of my favorite songs from him. The minute when I heard Maguire, it was from this song. And boy, the fact that he remastered this one and added on Geno, my brother, you always snap on your features. Please do not ruin it. I know you're not gonna ruin it, but please match the energy to how this song is. Please have the same instrumental, just a little bit different, but please, I better hear it. Oh yes, it is. Come on. Hey. Different.
One mission. I got that tunnel vision. I cannot make decisions. My whole existence is validated, calculated, tied together, bound by hate. You can't escape it. This life too complicated, and all these problems seem like something at a Harvard, ain't it? I'll take a loose and tie it up just like a domination. Just give me all your patience. I promise I would never stop without a nomination. I need a hero, I'm begging down on my knees. I promise I don't need saving, just wanna fucking believe. Ain't a man who could take a hurricane, play it off like a breeze. For someone to give me something I always wanted to be, I could be. I get up again, I must offend. My town, I can't run again, I must ascend. No doubt,
I'm loving the new hold on, run it back. Sorry, I got too excited because the vibe is already getting to me. Hold on.
Validated, calculated, tied together, bound by hate. You can't escape it. This life too complicated, and all these problems seem like something at a Harvard, ain't it? I'll take a loose and tie it up just like a domination.
I'll take a loose and tie it up. What you said? Hold on. What you said?
Seem like something at a Harvard, ain't it? I'll take a loose and tie it up just like a domination. Just give me all your patience. I promise I would never stop without a nomination. I need a hero, I'm begging down on my knees. I promise I don't need saving, just wanna fucking believe. Ain't a man who could take a hurricane, play it off like a breeze. For someone to give me something I always wanted to be, I could be. Down, I get up again, I must offend. My town, I can't run again, I must ascend. No doubt, I'm as strong you with my best again. Don't drown if I stretch or reach the sun again. You got me out of it's not my time to talk all broken pieces of me. Call my name. You got me out of my brain. I know it's not too late. You talk all broken pieces of me.
You can save your breath, you save saved by the bell, it's safe to say I'm your safest bet, so you can save yourself all the trouble and the issues. Don't worry about the rank of who's against you, can still get outclassed like they skip school. The moment that I don't survive, you bet I come back more refined, and no, I won't resign, cause every single moment I've been on my job, I can get into overdrive, and that's an understatement. I've let go of pride, I cross my heart and hope the die don't make me
Nah, son, you got me effed up if you think I'm not finna replay that bitch back. Hold on.
You say by the bell, it's safe to say I'm your safest bet, so you can save yourself all the trouble and the issues.
Come on,
don't worry about the rank of who's against you, can still get outclassed like they skip school. The moment that I don't survive, you bet I come back more refined, and no, I won't resign, cause every single moment I've been on my job, I can get into overdrive, and that's an understatement. I've let go of pride, I cross my heart and hope the die don't make me
Come on, man. Still to this day, one of my favorites, and he just made it 10 times more fire. God damn it, Maguire. Come on, man. You can't be doing that, Maguire. God damn it, Maguire. You son of a bitch. You just made my favorite song of you 10 times more fire. God damn it. Fuck. I can't even say god damn it. It's supposed to be like that. Hey, I'm telling y'all. This is what I'm saying. Y'all need y'all know some of y'all favorite songs out there. Look, nerdcore artists, you know your most favorite songs, your most watched songs on your channel, in your catalog and such. Y'all need to remaster that bitch and either do new vocals on it or add in new verses, whatever the case may be. Dizzy, I'm calling you out, Dizzy. I'm calling you out. I'm waiting for the day you remix Sharingan, cause boy, you know good and God blessing well. Let me not curse for you, but you know God blessing well. You even Game Boy at one point I heard he wants you to remix that sucker. Put it out, Dizzy. I know you can, man. And hell, even put Game Boy on that beat. But either way, we got now Arcadia featuring Ben Schuller with DOMA song Taste. We got another Demon Slayer song in here.
Dreaming on a piece of your body. Looking for a chance on your mommy. Looking for your dance in the night. Won't stop till I get my hands on my pride. Got me in the trance from those eyes. Cause I never let you retire. I know you wanna fuck this demon, make him out to play.
two best. Hold on, let me see how much songs we got left, cause I know it's 6 songs. So we on to we got the last one with Game Boy. So yeah. And look, you got the two of the best vocalists to do a song like this. Oh boy, you should have added Maguire. If you would have added Maguire on this, boy, it would have been stupid. But let's get it. It would have been stupid. This type of sound, oh, Maguire would have went stupid.
Won't stop. I just bought you for myself. We won't tell nobody yet. I know you want this thing, but
this is that 2010 type of. This is giving that 2010s type of pop feeling, or not pop. What's this sound? It can't be. It's not EDM. It's a I forgot what it sounds. It's a sound where you can hear The Weeknd on. So yeah, I can hear The Weeknd on this type of sound. But I don't think and hell, you might. And look, I don't even care if this is controversial or not. I don't even think The Weeknd can do this sound better than Ben and Arcadia. That's just me. What that sound is, y'all let me know in the comments below. There's that it's a particular sound. I don't know what it is, but it's because I've heard that sound multiple times, but I just don't know what it's called. Let me know in the comments below, because it gives off that vibe where you would hear the likes of The Weeknd on it or so. That's just me. But now, to end off this music mayhem now, Game Boy did say that he wanted to make another song where it's going back and forth. So he got Schwabity, and we got the Tanjiro and GIYU rap song Super Splash Bros. Let's splash it up. No freaky. I need batteries and I ain't gonna lie, I did spoil myself just a little bit to see at the end where they gonna show their face. Super Splash Brothers.
Do the math, homie, we subtract numbers. We get cash out the green like grass summer. Check the stats, think the demons lack numbers. See the flick of the wrist, we the Super Splash Brothers.
Do the math, homie, we subtract numbers. We get cash till the green like grass summer. Check the stats, think the demons lack numbers. See the flick of the wrist, we the Super Splash Brothers.
Hey, me and Brody just like Clay and Steph. Bringing every record for the record, better pay respect. Bringing the tsunami, me and Schwab, got him taking swag. You ain't in a big little demons, can't get like the rest.
Making threats, like y'all confess me. Way too wavy, a pull a steal and go crazy. I wouldn't break a sweat, they're in deep water like Navy. These guys think they're killers, but they don't know me.
They're in deep water like Navy. Goddamn Schwabity, hold on. Goddamn Schwabity.
Go crazy, I wouldn't break a sweat, they're in deep water like Navy. These clowns think they're killers, but they don't know much like Cassie.
Do it on the daily, shit can really go right. Chop the top, now they really got an open mind. And your life worth you living might be overpriced. Asking for forgiveness, but forgiveness give you no reply.
Leave them on red, they leaking red, and now there's blood on the water. We don't do torture, but someone is getting hung on a quarter. The way I'm stacking W's, they think I look like a hoarder. Come for the cover, just call the brum, we double the slaughter.
Hey, we gon' take this coast to coast. Came to make a splash, you can barely keep your boat afloat. Got the rolling glow, diamonds dripping, now these hoes are so. Know the shop about to sing, I'm feeling like a vocal coach.
You're the roads, hit them with the cutter like I'm Cody Rhodes. Going toe to toe with us, we gon' leave you comatose. You just blowing smoke if you think that you to pose the floor. But if you tryna die, do it, never float your boat.
Do the math, homie, we subtract numbers. We get cash out the green like grass summer. Check the stats, think the demons lack numbers. See the flick of the wrist, we the Super Splash Brothers.
Do the math, homie, we subtract numbers. We get cash till the green like Brad Summer. Check the stats, think the demons lack numbers. See the flick of the wrist, we the Super Splash Brothers.
Ain't no kamikaze, gotta sun you when I do my dance.
This water breathing shit go deep, it's like a scuba tank.
Started from the bottom, had no problem moving through the ranks.
All about us while they tryna take a shot, we're shooting blanks. Water wheeling, we wiping butts like a typhoon.
We be fighting like demons, but promise we nothing like you.
Big step is the kite.
Drop his ass in the bayou.
But he thinks that it's sweet.
But he's about to find out he's type 2. Look, I need a promotion to pillar, cause I've been holding the rest of my teammates up, so don't tell me I ain't got motion.
They work on me supporting, I'm bringing out the whole ocean. They so sorry about the water, let that see it got me floating like, hey. So shit, he'll be.
Nah, nigga, y'all cannot. Yeah, I like when they do the back and forth. Hey, anybody else in the nerdcore community, y'all need to do these back and forth type of shit. I like it. I've always wondered why people like it. Now I know why. Cause nigga, the back and forth is, especially when it this is when you I can't even talk. But basically what I'm trying to say is, when you're doing a back and forth type rapping, you gotta realize you gotta have that chemistry with this certain person. And trust me, with them two, oh yeah, for shit sure, you already know when it comes to the nerdcore community, you know there are certain two men who, whenever they're on the track, they got that connection, that oomph. That boy, if they ain't sounding like this,
we get cash till the green like Brad
I wanna hear it.
Check the stats, think the demons lack numbers. See the flick of the wrist, we the Super Splash Brothers.
Ain't no kamikaze, gotta sun you when I do my dance.
This water breathing shit go deep, it's like a scuba tank.
Started from the bottom, had no problem moving through the ranks.
All about us while they tryna take a shot, we're shooting blanks. Water wheeling, we wiping butts like a typhoon.
We be fighting like demons, but promise we nothing like you.
Big step is the kaiju.
Drop his ass in the bayou.
But he thinks that it's sweet.
But he's about to find out he's type 2. Look, I need a promotion to pillar, cause I've been
but he think that he gonna see that he type 2 diabetes. Come on now.
But he thinks that it's sweet.
But he's about to find out he's type 2. Look, I need a promotion to pillar, cause I've been holding the rest of my teammates up, so don't tell me I ain't got motion.
They look on me supporting, I'm bringing out the whole ocean. They so sorry about the water, let that see it got me floating like, hey. So shit, he'll be seeing my blade.
What's the vibe if you riding no wave?
Trying to jump shit, but it's too late.
Stay in your lane.
What we told you, man.
Do the math, homie, we subtract numbers. We get cash out the green like grass summer. Check the stats, think the demons lack numbers. See the flick of the wrist, we the Super Splash Brothers.
Do the math, homie, we subtract numbers. We get cash out the green like grass summer. Check the stats, think the demons lack numbers.
See the flick of the wrist, we the Super Splash Brothers. Your artwork is crazy. That artwork is fire. Get them while they last. Boy, I wish I could, but I don't want to. Hey, man. Hey, man. 2 minutes. Goddamn. That's all I can say. It's just to this shit. Y'all did not have to snap that damn hard. Goddamn. Just goddamn to everybody. Just this. To everybody. Straight up air horns. I don't care. And you know what's so crazy is I'm filming this shit in the middle of the night. So I don't care if downstairs has a problem, cause the amount of times they ass always be loud downstairs, I don't care. I ain't trying to be disrespectful or not, but hey, if y'all want to be loud downstairs, I'ma be loud. Yeah, I mean, let me shut up. But nah, shout out to everybody who was on this Music Mayhem. Goddamn, y'all did not have to. Y'all came in with bars, heats, toxicity from Mario. Y'all came with different levels of heat, and I'm loving it. Shit. Y'all let me know what y'all thought about this down in the comments below. If you made it to the end, comment down below back and forth, and that makes me know you made it this far. But it's been your boy HumbleZiggy signing out. Stay positive, keep vibes up, and one more time, shout out to everybody on this. I'm out.